Hello, my name is Oscar Duan Jimenez Mendoza, and this is my experience traveling to Cartagena. My first experience be playing was traveling from Bogota to Cartagena, where you can see many beautiful landscapes. Another experience I had on this trip was to get on flying boat, where I felt a lot of fear, but at the same time adrenaline to the flight. Another very pleasant experience was to walk all of Cartagena in Chiva Rumbera, where I meet people from different countries. And finally, my experience on the bus when I returned home, where I go to know several different cultures and a typical dish from this place. Thank you.